We've now finished the industry structure section and are moving into petroleum industry status and current challenges. This next part is important because my students often ask not only what is petroleum engineering, but also what is the future of this field. We will address jobs, companies, and the changing role of the industry in the energy transition. This slide raises a realistic and important question. Should we worry about jobs in the petroleum industry? Oil prices, market cycles, policy shifts, and energy transition trends all influence hiring and investment. When prices fall sharply, companies may reduce spending and delay projects. However, periods of transformation also create new opportunities, especially for engineers who can work across petroleum, digitalization, and low-carbon technologies such as CCS. Here we look at major petroleum companies and compare net income. The purpose of this slide is not to memorize company rankings, but to understand the scale of capital involved in the petroleum sector and how profitability can vary with market conditions. For students, this also highlights an important point. Petroleum engineering careers exist in supermajors, national oil companies, service companies, technology firms, and research institutions, not only in one type of employer. This slide continues the company comparison with a more visual emphasis. As you review such charts, I encourage you to ask 3 questions. What metric is being used: revenue, profit, production, or reserves? What year is the data from? And what market conditions influence those results? This habit helps you interpret industry statistics critically rather than accepting charts at face value. Now we narrow the focus to Japan. This slide introduces major oil and gas-related companies in the Japanese context. For students based in Japan, this is especially useful when thinking about internships, collaborations, and long-term careers. I recommend you explore each company's role upstream, trading, energy systems, chemicals, infrastructure, or decarbonization. This slide introduces 3 common petroleum engineering career paths: reservoir engineer, drilling engineer, and production engineer. A reservoir engineer focuses on subsurface fluid flow, data analysis, simulation, and optimization. A drilling engineer focuses on safe and efficient well construction. A production engineer focuses on bringing fluids from reservoir to surface and maintaining production performance. For you, a helpful question is, which work style fits you best: analytical modeling, field operations, or a combination of both?